welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I am bringing you a Meijer must-do deals video this week. It's March 27th through April 2nd of 2022, and this is not an April Fool's joke, but Meijer, we've got some pretty decent deals this week, and I know it has been a while. Of course, we don't have a ton of them, but we have enough that I think I'll get many of you to the store this week, so that's always a good thing. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my Meijer videos. And of course, if you also like to shop at Kroger, you want to make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I do a ton on Kroger. So I'm really wanting to pick up more Meijer videos and do more throughout the week, but I just need to make sure I keep getting these views and get these views up and that there is an actual audience for this content. Once I start seeing a good number of views on these videos, I will definitely start making more videos throughout the week on Meijer. But there are some decent ones this week. I promise you, you're not going to be disappointed to watch this video. All right, so let's talk about the freebies that are going on first. So grab 3 of the Pantene Pro V hair masks. You can see them in the picture there. They're like these, square little gold mask things. They're regularly priced $1.99, so your total would be $5.97. Well, this week when you buy 3, Pantene is included, but it's also Head and Shoulders, Aussie, Old Spice, hair care products, or Gillette or Venus disposable razors. Again, so you could do other things with this if you wanted to. You're going to get $3 off instantly. So you purchase 3 of these, $3 comes off instantly. That leaves you at 99 cents each. And then there's a 3 off 3 in perk that is attaching to these. So your final cost is completely free, and no, Meijer does not do overage. So it will adjust that 3 off 3 coupon down to making it completely free. But hey, free is free, and I will totally take it. So really, really awesome deal here. I can't wait to get to the store. My only concern is, are there going to be any left on the shelf when I get there? Because it's probably going to be Monday before I actually get into the store. But still a really, really great deal here. Let me know if you score. All right, another freebie here is the Glade Plug-in Scented Oil Warmer. Now, these are regularly priced at $1.89. There is a $2.50 off 1 in perk. Like I said, what happens with Meijer is their system will just make the coupon go down to free. It's not going to give you any kind of overage. So it's just going to be a freebie deal here, which is pretty awesome still. Why not grab that and get it for free? All right, so this is the last week you can grab this deal if you haven't already. The Neutrogena Cleansing Bar that's regularly priced $2.19. There's a 2 off 1 in perk. Final cost is going to be 19 cents for one of these. Still a really great deal. I know I've had it in I've had it in the video the last 2 weeks, but the coupon does expire on the 2nd. So really you're done this week unless another coupon pops up on the 3rd, and then I will be saying this all over to you. But still a really great deal on this Neutrogena. All right, another really, really great deal is going to be on these Bic razors, the 12 count. They're regularly priced $3.49. We have this real high value 3 off 1 in perk, making the final cost 49 cents. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. These are very cheap razors. I used to be all about as super cheap as could be, and I would probably purchase something like this prior to being a couponer because I wanted to be super cheap. Once I became a couponer and started getting more nice razors or more expensive razors for either super cheap or free and started using them, I realized razor quality is important. So I couldn't use these, but I have no problem grabbing it for 49 cents and donating them, or giving them away to a friend or something like that. Somebody in need that really needs razors, they'll be fine. But yeah, so 49 cents for these razors. Let me know in the comments if you are cool with cheap razors or if you have to go higher quality razors. And I'm not talking like I don't order specialized razors or anything like that. I still get like the Bic Soli or the whatever. I'll just need a little bit more than these really cheap ones. All right, this is a really awesome deal. I'm kind of excited about it. The Maybelline New York Baby Lips products. You want to grab these. They're regularly priced $3.99. You want to buy in multiples of 2. The way it works this week is you're going to get $5 off instantly when you buy 2 Maybelline cosmetics. This is one of the cheaper products on the shelf. So final cost is going to be $1.16 each for these. And of course, if you have any kind of like spend so much, you get so much off kind of coupons. I know there's like a shop and save, I think one, or scan and save. I think that's what it is. Scan and save where it's like 10 off 30. You could do something like that and possibly get it for super cheap or free when you buy multiples. But every 2 you purchase, $5 is going to come off instantly. All right, I am loving this Secret Dry Spray deal. So Secret Dry Spray deodorant is regularly priced $6.79. It is $3 off the Secret this week. So it's on sale for $3.79. Plus, we have a 3 off 1 in perk. So final cost for one of these dry sprays is just 79 cents. This is a really, really great deal. Even if you personally will not use this deodorant, it's a great one to grab and donate or do something like that. I may grab these and see if my daughter wants to use it. I'm actually allergic to Secret, which is kind of funny, but I am actually allergic to it. I cannot use the deodorant. I've never tried the dry spray. I just tried the regular Secret deodorant, and I cannot use it. I break out in a rash. I have no idea what's in it. The only deodorant that I know I can use without getting broke out or anything, is the Suave deodorant. And so I'm not sure what's in Secret that is making it, bad for me personally. But I'm sure everybody that I know that uses Secret loves this product. So I'm not trying to down Secret. I just can't use it because I'm allergic to something. All right, guys, we have a great deal on some meats, and so I am so excited about this deal. So Adaptable Meals, you want to grab one of their meals. They have like the boneless pork ribeye chops there. You have the garlic and herb boneless pork loin chops there, 16 ounces. They're regularly priced $5.99, on sale for $3.99 this week. You will pay that out of pocket, but then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It is a limit of one time only, unfortunately, but your final cost is $2.99. So, if you're like me and you have more people in your family, like we have 5 people in our family, I kind of need 2 of these in order to have a meal. Grab one at the very beginning of this sale. Hope that Ibotta reloads and then buy it again. And then you can have enough to maybe feed your family or make it a treat for mom and dad and just give the kids like fish sticks or something like that. I've done that too. All right, guys, so real quick with Ibotta, if you are not familiar with Ibotta, it is a rebate app. You simply download it onto your phone. You go shopping, you scan your receipt in, and you get money back on items that you're already purchasing. The thing I love most about Ibotta is that you work towards bonuses. So you get extra money when you purchase so many rebate items. And it's really, really cool. It's one of my favorite ones to do. I have been on Ibotta train since it basically started years ago, like fairly right after it started, and I absolutely love Ibotta, and it has gotten better and better over the years. So I highly recommend it. If you decide to sign up with Ibotta, go to the referral code in the description box below, or you can see it there on the screen. Make sure you type that in before you join, and then you become a part of my team, which means that we work on bonuses together, which is a lot of fun. So you want to make sure that you use that referral code in order to get started. Okay, so now we have the 9 Elements dishwashing liquid soap, 16 ounces. These are regularly priced $3.99, but we have a nice huge 3 off 1 in perk, making the final cost for these just 99 cents. This is a really great deal on this soap. All right, another really great deal here is the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo or conditioner. So you want to grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $7.99. So the sale that is going on is spend $15, and it's not just the Love Beauty and Planet. I mean, you could mix and match this with other items, I guess, too. You have Dove and Schmidt's 7th Generation, Shea Moisturizer, Hellmann's, Talenti, Ben & Jerry's, those types of products. So you could do something similar or a different deal using some of those other products. But for this particular deal, grab 2 of these, $7.99. Spend $15, you're going to get a $5 Catalina. There is a buy one, get one in perk. So out of pocket, you'll pay $7.99, but because before coupons you hit that $15, you're going to receive a $5 Catalina. Final cost is going to be $2.99 total, or just $1.50 each, I should say. $1.50 each. That's a really, really awesome deal on $8 shampoo. Next, we have a really great deal on this Oscar Mayer bacon. Grab 2 of them for this deal. It's regularly priced $9.99, and the sale is buy one, get one. No coupons needed, and your final cost is going to be $9.99 total, or $5 each. 50% savings here on just the sale. I love it when you don't even have to mess with coupons. You just get a really great deal. All right, guys, so this is kind of a good deal. I thought it was interesting. I don't personally need arthritis medicine, thank goodness, but maybe you do. So grab 2 of the Meijer arthritis pain relieving gels. They're regularly priced $13.99. There is a sale this week. When you buy 2, you're going to get $1 off instantly. Now, again, it goes for a bunch of different medications, but this is the one with the in-perk that is going to make it a really awesome deal. There is an in-perk for 4 off 1 each. So $4 is going to come off of each of the products, meaning that's $8 total that's coming off. Final cost is going to be $18.98 total, or it's going to be $9.49 each. So remember, this is like $14 down almost, I guess down $4.50-ish, but really, really good deal here. All right, guys, so this deal I've been telling you about, if you have not used this in-perk, the 7 off 1 in-perk, it's actually going to be a little bit better on the next slide. But the Pampers Preemie diapers that are regularly priced $9.99, there is a 7 off 1 in-perk, making the final cost $2.99. But hopefully you haven't used this yet because it's going to get better. So if you grab the little Huggies Preemie diapers instead of the Pampers, these are regularly priced $10.49. And there is a 7 off 1, that same 7 off 1 from the last slide, store in-perk. It's for the Preemie diapers. So it's for Huggies or for Pampers, but it is a store coupon. So it is pairing with the 250 off 1 manufacturer in-perk. For specifically the Huggies. So it's taking off a total of $9.50. That leaves you with a final cost of just 99 cents. That's a really, really great price for diapers. Now do take note, these are for the preemies. Most babies are, well, I shouldn't say most babies. There's a lot of babies that are born very small, but a lot of you that are shopping for diapers probably have kids that are too big for this. So this is one of those great products that to purchase and to donate. Donate it to somebody that maybe has little ones and or is expecting a little one, or even to maybe the hospital, like say give this to someone that can use it, something like that with people that have little preemie babies. Okay, speaking of babies, let's talk about a couple more deals here. The Mushy Teethers. Now, there's a couple of different choices. There's the bear one that you can see in the picture. There's also the Cloud Teether. These are regularly priced $9.99, but they're on sale for $7.99. And there is a 5 off 1 in-perk. Now, the in-perk is for the teethers or toys. So if you're not interested in the teethers, there are some toy options. It's just not as cheap. You're going to use that 5 off 1 in-perk and just pay $2.99 for these. What a great price. So I've actually been saving this for last. I kind of wanted to show you the promotion that Meijer has right now with P&G household brands. Basically, what you want to do is spend $25 or more on products like Bounce, Tide, Gain, Downy, Febreze, Cascade, Bounty. You have the Swiffer, the Charmin, the Puffs, Dawn, and Mr. Clean. You can mix and match these items, get them to $25, and you're going to get a $5 Catalina on your next purchase. On top of it, we do have some digital in-perks that we can use to bring that out-of-pocket lower. Now, I have a scenario on the next slide that I'm going to share with you, but if you decide to do one of these deals yourselves, please leave it in a comment below how you put it together and what coupons you used and things like that, just to share with other people. I love that we can get really, really great deals, but if you find something amazing, please let us know in the comments below. Okay, so let me give you my first example here. So the Gain liquid detergent, that's 154 ounces, regularly priced $16.74. Grab one of those. And then grab one of the Bounce fabric softener sheets, the 240 count. They're regularly priced $10.49. Your total comes up to $27.23. Now, both products are on sale. The Gain is $15.99 and the Bounce is $9.99. So your total then hits $25.98. So that's going to hit that $25 threshold that should activate the $5 Catalina. There is a 3-off-1 gain in perk as well as a 2-off-1 bounce in perk. So your out of pocket is $20.98, and then you're going to receive that $5 Catalina back. Final cost is going to be $15.98 total, or just $7.99 each. So a much better price than that big, $10 and $16 price there for those products. And the last thing you want to do when you get done shopping at Meijer, you want to take your receipt and submit it to Fetch Rewards. Now, if you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards, it is one of the easiest rebate apps I've ever used. All you have to do is sign up today, use my referral code to sign up. You'll get a little bit of a bonus with that. And then when you submit your first receipt, you're going to get points back. Now, the points will eventually add up to purchase gift cards. So you could get Starbucks or Target or something like that. I tend to save all my points until right before Christmas, and then I get gift cards and I'll go like Christmas shopping at Target or Kohl's or wherever I can get gift cards for. And I absolutely love that I never actually spend any money at Christmas time out of my bank account. I use my Ibotta rebates and my Fetch rebate rewards to actually purchase Christmas, which is fantastic. Okay guys, that's all I have for you this week. If you like these Meijer must-do deals videos and you want to keep seeing them, I need you to do a couple things for me. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button right now. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And then also leave me a comment below if you haven't already. Tell me where you're from or something like that. Have a wonderful week guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.